Hello friends and viewers, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. Today in this video, I will show you in the FIRE's account, if you are buying a share, how you can put the target and stop loss after you purchase the order. Before I show you one technique, that is the bracket order, in one system only you put the target and the stop loss together. This one I will show you separately how you can first buy, then how you can put the sell order, means you want to target, and how you can put the stop loss. This technique works absolutely fine for the equity cash. And first, after you learn this technique, I will tell you, first try to execute in one quantity and check. Once you are confident of doing this technique, then only you can do it in your own trading. So as of now, for example, I have opened the IDFC First Bank. So for example, if you want to buy, you just click the buy button. We will go to the regular. If you want to buy in the market price, you will buy in the market. If you want to buy in the limit, you can buy in the limit. So for example, you want to buy at a particular price, for example 45.75. You can put whatever price you want to buy, you will put it here, and you can put the quantity here, how many quantity, one you want, or 100, 1000, and how much you want. You can see here also the value of that one. Now I will show you with only one quantity. For example, you put this price, suppose we make it to 80 and we give it for buy, and here we give it for the intraday buy. So you put this order, see this is the buy limit. Once this order comes, it will be purchased at this price. So you can see now the order is executed and you buy the share. So how you to check? You will go to the dashboard column in the bottom, and you see we purchased one share in the limit 47.80, and you can see the profit and loss, whatever is there, you can see in this column. Now I will show you how you can put the target and the stop loss. For example, once you want to put the target, suppose you feel I want to put the target as this point 48.45. okay, so you just go in this column, in the once you go in the right hand side, you see the plus sign, you see, correct? See, you see the plus side. For example, you want to sell at 48.40, just click the plus sign, you put it what you want to do. You want to sell or what? You want to sell the share, correct, as a target. So put it in the, select this one. So you get it here, it's intraday, 48.50 is the limit price, and you put it as the sell. So here you get the sell limit. Okay, again you are, for example, after you buy, now the price is 47.90. you feel I want to put my target at 47.45. so you go here, again you click here, again you go to the sell one, and here you put the stop order. This is the stop loss order, so it will be the stop, and again you put it here, the sell. So here you can see now the sell limit, this is for the target, and this is the stop loss manually. Suppose you feel no, I want to change it to this level, so you again do it, you can modify it. So this is how manually you can put the stop loss and the target. And once you go to the dashboard, you can see two orders are there. Okay, but in this order you have to keep in mind, once one order is executed, the other one you have to cancel manually, then only it will be executed, otherwise no. For example, I will show you now. Suppose you feel you want your target as this level. Okay, so you put it here and you put the modify bottom. So once you put the modify bottom, now you see if the target price comes here, the order will be executed at this price. Just wait few seconds, I will show it to you. It's modified, so this is your target level and this is your sell stop, just to show you how it works. So friends, now you can see the order is executed and it is sold out at 47.90, but you can see the stop loss order is still pending. This one you have to manually cancel it out. Do you want to cancel the order? Yes. And after you finish the order, always go to the bottom in the dashboard and you see the position. In the position column, you just see that we make a 10 profit and no orders are pending. If anything is pending, it will be showing here. All the positions you go there and check. See, this is the intraday we take the trade, net quantity 0, it should be 0. Okay, so we made a profit of 10 paisa. Leave this one, but just see the technique. This is the technique where you can manually put the stop loss and target, but what I suggest, bracket order is even more easier. Personally for me, most of the times I do in the bracket order, and this technique what I show you here, it is valid only for the equity cash. I tried for options, I don't know. For equity cash this is working. So if you like this video, please share it with others so other members can also see and benefit from it. As of now, for today, thank you and bye bye.